I don't understand why you tell a little girl say we're gonna keep our baby. Why you tell her?
Shireen, our grandson, what do you mean why?
We already have to take care of Susie. Like you're not thinking straight. How are we gonna take care of two babies, Rick? You have to go to work.
Shireen, you have to look on it realistically. Our son get them people you're pregnant. We have to take responsibility too. We know you feel a way, but at the end of the day, of them our blood, them our family. All you have to do is watch your baby them. While I'm there at work. And when I come home, me'll take care of them. I don't see the big issue.
You don't see the big issue, really? Nobody listens to anything I say in this house. I told you to talk to Richard. You didn't want to talk to Richard. Now look at this. Look at the outcome. I'm not supposed to take care of Pitney. I'm supposed to relax. May I get old? I better him breed somebody else again because I don't care. Because we keep on taking care of his kids.
Him a go learn, man. You just have to give time, I tell you, him a go learn. Trust me, Sherry. You just have to give time, but him still young, you know. You kick him out. You not sure him a learn already.
Well, Debbie's still having issues with him because she said he doesn't listen.
Well, him only been there for a while, Shireen. Come on, man.
Susie, I said don't throw the food. Get deaf?
Shireen, talk to her, so she's a baby. Calm down. I know you're stressed, but I tell you, you take care of everything. You don't have to worry.
I hear when you tell me to calm down. Look at this outcome, man. Like, I never expect Richard to do all of this. I mean, Sebastian, yeah, but Richard?
You see, you did wrong about Sebastian. But listen to me, Richard I gotta learn. Him have to learn. A part of life.
Well, I want him hurry up and learn before 5 more Pitney coming at his house. Because you woulda take care of all of them, right? I'm just surprised how nonchalant you are about all of this. You don't feel away? He's so young and he already has 2 children.
I just see life as a beautiful thing.
Here you know. You just love your Grand Pitney. God, you get on my nerves, Rick.
I tell you, just one day at a time. Stop stress. Come on, Sherry, let me sort you out, make you calm down.
But wait there, after them toilet didn't look clean, make sure you clean them toilet then I come not cleaning them. Boy, I bring girl in my bathroom come sex with your nasty self. Don't do it again in a little boy. A business me I run. Stop move like in high school, you're a big man now. Take care responsibility. I don't know why Sherry never licking at your face. First time you breed the first girl, she should have boxed you down. But me there feel. Me there feel. So go and play Richard. Nah man, that not work for you at all. Pick a different color.
But Debbie, I don't want you me like the color yeah.
You know say you don't have no sense. None whatsoever.
I thought I would find you in here. You ready for round 2, Richard?
Ready for what? Yes, man, I feel clean up the bathroom because of you. Ready for what? My girl, go on.
So make you feel go on, sir. Right.
Oh, what's up, Davey? Come by, come check on Richard to see how him do. I'm gonna bring Rasheen with me.
I mean, I bathroom a clean. Me have to rough him up because Rick, me don't know where you get that little boy there from. Sexy body Rick. Long time no see sexy body Rick. Yeah, come give me a taste. But here she. My girl, don't talk to my brother-in-law, so I'm licking at your face. Right. Him soon done, Rick. Just go sit down or something. And relax yourself. Cause watch you with baby pan back. You come in, are you and your baby mother? Ray. Dear. I wish I knew you carry something in back. My girl, go sit down. Nobody no one carry you. Who's a cane for that? What the hell me I do with cane? You see me a young, sexy girl. Rick strong and sturdy. Watch ya. Rick.
Richard, you look good. How you doing, son? You alright? Yeah, man, daddy. Wait, we can't come home now? Mommy? No, right now. Your mother still kind of vexed with the whole situation. Seriously? I have to stay here even longer?
You're in my carry-on. It's a little boy. Him don't learn, you know, him just don't learn.
Richard, your mother really pissed off. Right now, she didn't want Rasheen to stay with me, but you be mother for work. So what does that have to do with me, daddy? What does that have to do with me? Why she want to with me for? Me her son, look how she treat me.
Rick, stop me, that boy that talk to you.
Like, me not understand. What a big deal. What me do? Wanna have me here a clean bathroom like some maid? What kind of embarrassing thing this? Richard.
Stop your neck.
David, that uncall for me. You know how to lick him?
Look here, you spoil a little boy that too much, you know, that's why I'm going so. Look by you. You have baby I carry around, a fiend picnic, supposed to take care of them.
Baby, him obviously I go through something.
Hey man, stand up over there so you don't have no behavior. You think me and your parents do my same thing? But you raise your voice off for your father. Rick, go on to your yard. Come on, know what type of parenting you say you do. But bright, come on and yell off for your father. Me tell you say, you little boy, you don't have no manners. Me don't know what. Listen, me and Sherry and I same thing, you know. Me lick you down, you know. Remember that. Come on, know who you think you chat to so. Go and run off your mouth again and me get 2 black eye. Bright and out of order and stink. Go and clean up the bathroom, that you fellow. But you there and raise your voice off of your father. Out of order. Have 2 pitney. Look by you. Look by you. 2 pitney the boy have, you know. 2 pitney. A long time sheriff boxed out him chaw. Hold on, let's come deal with you. See what a little boy there. What a bumbo. Watch ya. Him gone.
Yo, auntie, they do your face so? You want a joke thing in your youth. The minute the woman a box me up like me, I want to eat that. I can't deal with this no more. I'm not go back to her house, you know. All she have me to do a clean and cook and like me a maid. I can't stay here. I don't know when Richard, cause right now me have to work and Kareem have to work and Diana work. You have to contribute somehow. You can't live here for free. I mean you can stay the night, but you have to figure something out. Really, dog? Me a twin and you gonna treat me so? What you mean me have to contribute? Contribute to what? Oh, nobody, it's like nobody rate nobody again. Me and you supposed to be family. Look how you deal with me. Look how mommy and daddy deal with me. Yo, me get tired of this, you know, man. Everybody just a move shaky. Yo, Richard, me say you can't stay the night. Relax now. Listen, me forgot my bed, alright? Me working in the morning. Can't sit down and talk to you about all of this. Just go sleep. Relax and go sleep and think about everything.